In today's video, I'll teach you how to disable Microsoft Family feature on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to disable the Microsoft Family feature, first of all, what you have to do is open the Task Manager. Click on the search bar that you can see at the task bar. Now search for Task Manager. Now you'll be able to see the option for Task Manager over here. Click on it in order to open it. Now you can see over here the Task Manager has been opened. You'll be able to find various options like processes, performance, app history, etc. Click on this option services. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here in the W section, you'll be able to find this option for WpcMonSvc. Over here, you'll also be able to see parental controls written. So what you have to do is click on it. Once you do that, right click on your mouse. Now over here, you'll be able to find various options. Click on this option, open services. Now once you do that, you can see over here services will be opened. Now over here, what you have to do is find the option for parental control. Simply scroll down to the P section. Now you can see over here the option for parental controls is right over here. What you have to do is right click on it. Now you'll be able to find various options. Click on the option properties. Now the properties will be opened up. Make sure general option is selected. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for startup type. Click on this option. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure to click on this option disabled. Once you do that, click on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the parental controls will be disabled. Now what you have to do is restart your device. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now simply click on this icon for power. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Now after you do that, the Microsoft Family feature will be disabled. So like this, you'll be able to disable it. So that is how you disable Microsoft Family feature on Windows 10 or 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.